Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you what to do if your ASUS VIVOBOOK PRO is not turning on. So first, try to not click but click and hold the power on button. Next thing is make sure that it's connected to a charger in here. And the charger is plugged in to a contact. If none of this works, then try to leave it charging for quite a while, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and then come back and try to power it on. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.